need to respect history and patients and people's perspective of history. And I think there's a lot of education that needs to go on within companies, clinical trial teams, operations teams, outreach leaders to understand how to talk to people and also how to just listen. Um, I think that's really important. I also believe that focusing on distrust and barriers blames the patient. We have to stop. We have to stop focusing on all the papers that are written, focusing on all the barriers about why people don't participate. We need to focus on what works. And I think the diversity action plan, as you clearly stated and eloquently stated, Randall, that it is a kind of a short book on how to do it and what works. I do think that companies, all types of companies and all leaders need to build the ecosystem. Um, we need to build trust. Clearly, the system is broken. We've been talking about this for 20 years. Um, we need to ask the patient for their experience before, during, and after clinical trials. For example, if these participant partners that we work to engage in a clinical trials they feel they're not respected or they feel that bias has been placed on them, then the sponsor shouldn't use that site. No more. No excuses for biased behavior in communications. I feel that we need to really do some thinking about how it is that we're building the system to be what it needs to be. I also think that there needs to be a concerted effort, and Dr. Randall pointed this out also, that um, the trials need to be placed in the community. We need to build the ecosystem. Yes, we need to train the investigators, but we need to put clinical trial access where patients live. And decentralized clinical trials are never going to get us all the way there.